Hi there. Today we're going to talk about creating appointments in Google Calendar and adding your appointment link to your Google Classroom. So first we're going to start with our calendar. Let's say I'd like to make appointments every day from 10 a.m. to noon. So I'm going to call these library assistance appointments. I'm going to click on appointment slots, and I think my appointments should only take about 20 minutes each. Under more options, I can repeat this every day of the week, Monday through Friday. And I can extend that, let's say, until June 26th, just to be safe. You can always cancel them later. So from 10 a.m. to noon in 20-minute slots, every day, Monday through Friday, I will have appointments. I'm going to confirm with my participants their Google Hangout link when they get it. You will be emailed a video conferencing link to confirm your appointment. And in description, I'm going to say, please indicate any information that you would please share, any information you would like me to know about this appointment below. Okay, so this is what my participants are going to see. I'm going to save this, and you'll see that this has been populated every day from Monday, April 13th until, Monday, April 13th until June 26th, Monday through Friday. You'll notice it looks a little bit different than my regular my regular calendar entries that I have, because it has this square with 4 squares inside of it. And when you click on any of these, you will be able to go to an appointment page for this calendar. There's no appointments that I booked this week because I started them for next week. So you'll see that I have 6 appointments a day. So let's just say I'm signed in here now as my personal account, so I could make an appointment with myself. Let's say I want to do it Tuesday, April 14th at 11 a.m. This is what your participants will see. They will see that they will be emailed a video conferencing link, and they want to share information below. So if I am the participant, I will say, I would like information about ebooks. That way I can better prepare for my participant. Now you'll notice that that appointment has disappeared. Now both the participant and the host will be emailed a confirmation. Just to let you know what it looks like from the host's side, you will see a new appointment showed up. In that new appointment is an automatic, unique link to a Google Hangouts Meet. So you do not even need to create a Google Hangouts Meet. One has already been created for you and your participant. Now, the next thing I want to do is add this link. So I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to add it to my Google Classroom. I'm going to add it as, let's put a topic, appointment link. And then I'm going to create a material and say, use this link to book one-on-one appointments. I'm going to go to add and link and add that there. And I'm going to make sure it appears under appointment link. And I'm going to post that. And now you will see that it shows up in my classwork And it also shows up in my stream. You could put a description if you wanted to add more information, and it will link this to all of this information. They will not see who booked it. We're only seeing this because I'm signed in as myself. They will just see that that slot is no longer available. So that is how you create an appointment in Google Calendar, and you add that appointment link to Google Classroom. And just a reminder, both the participant and the host will get an email confirmation, and an appointment will show up in both calendars of the host and the participant with a Google Hangout link. And you could also email them to confirm that.